Hey everyone, so I just want to do a very short video for you and talk about the contact page options we have for Mimal. So let's take a quick look at some of the options we have here. Currently I have Mimal Red opened up for us, and over here we just have a full width contact page, just a single column with social media links at the bottom. If we take a look at our second option, you'll see that we have a slightly of a different layout over here, and then we have our contact info on the side. Alright, next off, our general Mimal style kit. We have once again just a single column, no additional or fancy features to it. And then of course our second contact page is similar to the one in Mimal Red, and essentially we have a second column here as well. Okay, and let's take a quick look at Mimal Blue. You'll see that within our contact page we only have a single contact page layout over here. So we have this parallax effect, and then we have two columns here with social media links within the second column as well. Okay, so let's take a quick look at how to recreate the following pages. Everything is going to be super easy and simple. So we'll just head on over to our sample page over here. This is the page that we're going to be working with. And essentially, whenever creating a contact page, you'll need to select your page template as contact page. That way, you'll have a number of customizations and features unfold that you can customize. So for example, you can select your full width or single column layout over here. Next off, you can add in your contact title, you add in your phone number, email, and then enable disable social media links, and then of course select or type in the title for your social media network, and then you can also add in your thank you message. Alright, so let's just say we've customized all of these areas here. This is my contact info, all of the options I want to add. I also need to add in a featured image. That is, of course, if I want to have an image within the background of my contact page. And since we have those images within our demos, let's go ahead and just add a featured image here. Okay, so we have this added, and let's go ahead and select this layout first. And this layout is applied to our featured images. So we'll go ahead and click on update, and we'll refresh our sample page just to see what we've come up with. And as you see, I'm currently using a Mimal Blue style kit. And once we scroll down the page, essentially we have the following layout. And let's just go ahead and compare this to Mimal Blue. Okay, so you see that we have the following parallax effect, and we also have the second bar over here, this little sidebar with the contact info. So that can be changed by simply selecting this layout over here and enabling our parallax effect. Okay, let's go ahead and click on update once again, and we'll refresh our sample page. Okay, you'll see that we have the following parallax effect. We have our contact information, and then we have our contact form here. Same we have within Mimal Blue. We have our image with a parallax. We have our contact info. We then have some text, which I did not add, but nonetheless that text is added within this area over here. And then we have, of course, our contact form. So everything here is very easy and simple. Alright, let's go ahead and just close this off and take a quick look at the Mimal Red options that we have. And essentially, to achieve this look, we simply need to disable our parallax effect, and we will need to get a single column. And let's see what else here. We have some text, and we have our social media links here. Okay, so let's just make sure our social media links are enabled. Alright, and I'll go ahead and add the following text to my page. Let me switch over to visual mode. This will be heading 2. Okay, and we will center line the following piece of text. Okay, let's go ahead and click on update. And at this point, what I'll also do is change my style kit to Mimal Red. I'll click on Save Changes, and we'll refresh our sample page. Okay, so you'll see that our style has changed. We have our page title, we have the image, just as we have within Mimal Red. So page title, image. Scrolling down, we have text, contact info, and contact form. Here we have text, contact info, contact form, and then our social media links. Okay, so this is essentially how we replicate Mimal Red. And then, of course, for our second contact page in Mimal Red, we have the following sidebar. We disabled our social media links, and then we chose a different layout for our featured image. So we did this and that, and we disabled our social media links. Okay, let's go ahead and click on update, refresh our sample page. Okay, and let's just compare this. Okay, so here we have our featured image, contact info, and contact form. Featured image, contact info, contact form, and then we have our text. Okay, so everything here is also very easy and simple to work around with as well. And then for our regular Mimal page, well, we've pretty much covered all of that in Mimal Red, except that we're using a different style kit here. So once again, just a regular single column layout. We have the following featured image, and we do not have any parallax effect here as well. And then within the second contact page layout, also same as Mimal Red, this is pretty much all we have to work with. So yeah, it's pretty easy to set up your contact page. I do hope this video helps, but you can also check out our written documentation for any additional details, screenshots, and info on how to create a custom contact form as well. Thanks again for watching.